welcome back to our English video today. The content today is about farm animals. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. This is a cow. Cow. This is a sheep. Sheep. This is a goose. This is a horse. This is a chicken. This is a goat. This is a pig. This is a donkey. This is a duck. This is a rabbit. Now, listen and say it again. Cow. Sheep. Goose. Horse. Chicken. Goat. Pig. Donkey. Duck. Rabbit. Alright, we have finished 10 popular animals on the farm. See you again in the next videos for more interesting English topics. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you again.